Imagine making an extra thousand a month, or even replacing your full-time income, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction. It's not. It's happening right now, and you don't need to be a coding wizard to do it.
Welcome back to the channel!
Today, we're diving deep into the most practical, actionable ways you can leverage AI tools to generate significant income, starting today. From content creation to automating entire businesses, AI is a goldmine for those who know how to use it. Stay tuned as we uncover the 7 best strategies to use and profit with AI. Let's jump in.
Our first strategy is AI-powered content creation.
If you've ever wanted to be a writer, a marketer, or even a blogger, AI has just made it incredibly easy. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Google Gemini can generate high-quality blog posts, articles, social media captions, email sequences, and even video scripts in minutes. You can offer these services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or even start your own content agency. Imagine writing 10 articles a day for clients, each paying you a decent rate. The output quality is astonishing, and with a little human editing, it becomes indistinguishable from human-written content. This isn't about replacing writers, it's about empowering you to produce more, faster, and for more clients. Next up, we have AI art and design. Forget needing years of Photoshop experience. With tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, or Stable Diffusion, you can generate stunning, unique images, logos, product mock-ups, and even entire digital art pieces with simple text prompts. There's a massive demand for unique visuals across social media, marketing, and even merchandise. You can sell your AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or directly to businesses looking for custom graphics. Brands need unique social media posts daily, small businesses need logos, and content creators need thumbnails, all areas where AI art excels. Learn the prompts, master the tools, and you've got a powerful visual content business. Number 3 is AI video and audio detection. If content creation is your game, AI is revolutionizing video. Tools like Syntheses AI can generate lifelike AI avatars speaking your script, or 11 Labs can create incredibly realistic voice filters from text. Runway ML offers powerful AI video editing features like isolating subjects or generating entirely new scenes. You can use these tools to create sped videos, social media ads, YouTube shorts, or even full-length courses. Businesses are always looking for cost-effective ways to produce video content, and you can be the solution, offering high-quality video production without the need for expensive equipment or extensive editing skills. Our 4th strategy is AI for business, automation, and efficiency. This is about leveraging AI to make businesses run smoother and cheaper. Think customer service chatbots that handle common queries, AI-powered data analysis to uncover market trends, automated lead generation tools, or even AI systems that manage inventory. You can offer these services as a concept in small and medium-sized businesses. Many businesses are aware of AI but don't know how to implement it. You can step in, identify their pain points, and integrate AI solutions that save them time and money, charging a premium for your expertise. 5.
Moving on to number 5.
Build and sell AI.
Prompts and templates.
As AI tools become more powerful, the art of prompt engineering has emerged as a valuable skill. A well-crafted prompt can make the difference between mediocre output and truly exceptional results. You can become an expert prompt engineer in specific niches. For example, prompts for creating engaging tweets, prompts for generating marketing copy for real estate, or prompts for crafting personalized cold emails. You can then package and sell these curated prompts or templates on marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or even dedicated prompt selling platforms. People are willing to pay for ready-made solutions that save them time and guarantee
quality output from AI 6. Strategy number 6 is AI consulting and training. As the AI revolution accelerates, many individuals and businesses feel left behind. This is where you come in. If you become proficient in using various AI tools and understanding their applications, you can offer your knowledge as a consultant or trainer, create online courses, host workshops, or provide one-on-one coaching to help others navigate the AI landscape. You can teach professionals how to integrate AI into their workflows, guide small business owners on adopting AI solutions, or even educate aspiring entrepreneurs on the strategies we're discussing today. This is a high-value service with immense demand. 7. And finally, strategy number 7. Affiliate marketing with AI. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales. AI can supercharge this by helping you create highly optimized content, analyze market trends, identify profitable niches, and even automate parts of your outreach. Use AI to generate comprehensive product reviews, create engaging social media posts, promoting affiliate links, or even write entire SEO-optimized websites designed to rank for specific product keywords. The more efficiently you can create content and reach potential customers, the more successful your affiliate marketing efforts will be. AI can be your ultimate virtual marketing assistant. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. And those who learn to harness its power will be the ones who thrive, creating new income streams and unlocking unprecedented opportunities. These 7 strategies are just the beginning, but they offer concrete pathways to start using and profiting with AI right now, even if you're a complete beginner. Which of these strategies excites you the most? Or which one are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights into the future of tech and finance, and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.